Am I can catch up, right? Not too fast. Okay. So any questions so far? Good.
Yeah.
It's okay, it's okay. I will give this video lessons later. I will upload and then I will share the link. So you can digest again. So these three topic and these folders are more important. So I will give the link also. So from the link, you can download all these things and then you can follow my instructions. So you can get all these things very nicely. Okay.
So I just wanted to ask one question
Mhm.
regarding the Revit family.
Mhm.
Right? Yeah. So this family will include all the relevant objects like the door, like
Yeah.
So what we have noticed is just now you highlighted which is based on Singapore, right? So what if let's say I go other country, do I still able to
They should have. They should have. That's the reason why you see here. Okay, inside this okay, Revit family here,
Yeah.
you go library, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's say you go Chinese. They have their library. So may not be all, but they have their basic library. I cannot read Chinese, I don't know. But they have their own. This is a structure. But you can download more. Yeah, they may have or they may not have. That one is depends on. You can, like I say, you can Google. Okay. So probably you can go to this content. So sometimes they may have a free one. So like Chinese items, right? Like this kind of door. So you may notice this. You see, just now I mentioned, you remember Revit City. So this is a Revit City. So you go to this link. So you can usually I have accounts. Probably okay, I still have this minis here. I still have my account login. So probably I still can log in. I'm not very sure. I forgot my password long time already. Let me see. So if you don't log in, you cannot download. Okay, but I think some of it's free. Some items might need to buy, but okay, let's say you want to install this door or this window, so you can download it.
So this Revit family is something like based on the country standard.
Yes, of course.
If let's say because that's how you are to the Chinese temple, sorry, the Chinese temple, right? I noticed that the shape of the building and it seems like something like the temple design almost is based on Chinese standard.
Yeah. Of course.
So
But
so every country should have their own family standard, right?
if they do, but some company, some country really not using BIM.
I see.
Yeah, so basically don't have much, but it's good to have their own library. Of course they should have. I think there's some issue in mind.
In my country, I'm not very sure because I know that they're using like.
So you learn how to create Revit family and you do your own and you sell them. Also can do. We also last time we got some services that we offer this. We can create any customized family and we charge it like one Revit family, we charge us like $50 or something like that. You can do that. You can do that. But most of the company they already have their stuff. They ask their staff to do. They won't buy, but unless they really have no choice. Yeah. You can do that. That's a good business also. So any family like sometimes they have customized, they don't have, but you can do that. You can sell it. But basically in the industry, right, they share free. You can find a lot of free. Like they have a BIM object. This is a Revit City. So long already. I started Revit 2010 version. Before that, actually it's long time already, but not many people use 2008, 9, or I think in US already start earlier, but in Singapore it start around 2009, 10. Yeah, around there. Yeah. So you can go BIM object. This BIM object also quite a lot of items. You can download free. Even you can download other software version like SketchUp, or they have different. Maybe I just download first. So there are many things that you can do.
So one thing, let's say I download them from Google, like the BIM object, that's
Mm.
make sure that the BIM object. I download them in my program. So if let's say I draw a drawing,
Mm-hmm.
and I can input them. Can I input them into the drawing?
Okay.
But it's required some specific dimension of those.
But dimension you have to change. They usually have a parameter.
Okay. So it can be customized.
Yes. That you need to know how to do. Yeah, can. For example, here, right? This one, basically you can edit the family. So for example, right, you already have this, and then just showing that this one, if you know how to edit, is good. But if you don't know, also doesn't matter. But let's say I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. Maybe I just for this one, I just keep this. Okay, for example, right? So it will be disappear. So you can do that. Yeah, and somehow you can adjust the dimension, which okay, let's say this, but we need to understand which one is which one. So if you don't understand this, also need to learn something here, like glazing bar thickness. So you have what is the glazing bar? You need to know, and then you have to change. Yeah. So door panel offset, like structural tolerance, all these things, you have to learn.
Let's say I download an object from the Google. That's how I show that when you click on it, all the spec is there.
Yeah.
So if let's say I download an object from the Google, so if I click on it to double edit, so I can see the spec also there.
Yeah, you can see that.
So I can edit as per the spec.
Yeah, basically you can see from here, we call it parameter. So, but some will be formula drive, some will be simply do. So let's say this thickness and door panel thickness.
Yeah,
So
these are the spec.
Yeah. You can, but some are temp family. We call it temp family, which don't have a parameter. So you cannot change. If you have parameter, you can change. Yeah, like this, because sometimes they put individual, then you can delete one or two. So even you want to change this handler, you can change different types. Yeah. So just now we have this just now the component, right? Like door component. Let's say you want this. Okay. So probably I'm not very sure this one workable, but I can try this way. Put here. And maybe I place this just now the component. This is handle 5. Maybe this one. So like this. I need to check where to appear. So it is, I think, somewhere here. Okay, I have to move over here. I think better show to this left right elevation. So here, right, for example, I want to place this here. No need, cannot, because I need to check what is usually the parameter. So it depends on the location. So I have to place it. Let me see. They won't allow to place here. So I have to check the right place. Then maybe I try this. 5 to 1.
So it means
But it doesn't show.
the object can only be customized if the parameter is stated in the drawing.
Yeah. Oh, here it appear here.
If no parameter is stated, it cannot be.
Yeah. That's why you need to understand how to create a parameter, and you need to do that. So for example, this, right? If you put here, It is a bit weird, but it will appear here. Save this somewhere. But of course, you have to adjust the height, all these things. So it means that you can change as and when you need. So this is here. But you need to understand every component's behavior and features. Yeah. Okay, good. So today later I will send some video lessons. So next week we can start to do modeling. We can start a project. Okay. Okay, right. Interesting, right? So you all settle a license ready? Okay.
You